Did you know that animals from different species can be friends? It's true. Even animals that we think would be enemies can be the best of friends. What do you think? Can a fox and a bunny be friends? In a lush green forest lived a tiny bunny named Benny. Benny loved hopping around the meadow with his brothers and sisters. One sunny afternoon, Benny wandered off, sniffing at colourful wildflowers. He didn't realise how far he had gone. The sun began to set, and the forest grew darker. Benny felt a shiver run down his spine. Everything looked different in the shadows. The once friendly trees now seemed like looming giants. Sounds of the night, unfamiliar and scary, filled the air. Poor Benny felt a pang of fear. He missed his cozy burrow and his mother's warmth. Tears welled up in his big brown eyes. He wanted to go home, but he didn't know the way. Suddenly, Benny heard a rustle in the bushes. He froze, his heart pounding. A pair of bright, intelligent eyes peered at him. It was Finley the fox. Benny was terrified. Everyone knew foxes were supposed to be sly and dangerous. Finley saw the fear in Benny's eyes. "Don't be scared, little one," he said, his voice surprisingly gentle. "You look lost. What are you doing out here all alone?" Benny, mustering all his courage, explained how he'd wandered off. Finley listened patiently. "Don't worry," he said when Benny was finished. "I know these woods like the back of my paw. I'll help you find your way home." And so began their unlikely friendship. Finley, with his sharp senses, led the way. While Benny hopped cautiously behind, they walked for what seemed like hours. Finally, Benny let out a joyous squeak. He recognized his burrow. He rushed towards it, his heart overflowing with relief and gratitude. He turned to thank Finley. From that day on, Benny and Finley remained the best of friends, proving that even the unlikeliest of pairs can share a special bond. What other amazing animal friendships have you heard about?